In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your website effectively and efficiently. Creating new pages on your site can greatly enhance your ability to share information, so let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet essential task. First, you'll want to navigate to the section of your website's backend or content management system where you can see an overview of your pages. This is typically represented in the menu on the left-hand side as Pages. Once you locate that, go ahead and click on it. This area is your central hub for all the existing pages on your site and the place where you can manage and create content. Familiarize yourself with this space as it will become a frequent stop as your site grows and evolves with more content. Next, you're going to add the new page. Look for an option that says something like Add Page or New Page. It's usually highlighted or placed in a prominent position, often at the top of the page overview section or as a button. Clicking on this will take you to a blank template where you can begin crafting your new page. Now that you're on this new page template, it's time to give your page a name. This name will serve as the page's title, so choose something that clearly reflects the content or purpose of the page. It's important to be concise yet descriptive, as this title may be visible to visitors, helping them understand what to expect before they even click on it. A clear, relevant title can also aid in search engine optimization, making it easier for people to find your page when searching online. After you're satisfied with the name you've chosen, it's time to save your new page. Locate the Save button, which is often found at the top or bottom of your screen. Saving your work periodically is a crucial habit to adopt to prevent any accidental loss of data. Once you click Save, your new page will ordinarily be added to the list of pages on your site, allowing you to find it easily in the future. So that's how you add a new page to your website, a simple process, but one that opens up endless possibilities for sharing new content and information. Remember, consistent updates and fresh content are key to keeping your site active and engaging for users. And now, whenever you have new ideas or information to share, you're fully equipped to add it to your site with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy page building!